Inapununga ipalelevu, inatena.
Oi.
Kada ki uranga na iliu ni mani ona Prime Minister. Rabi iyo na loma ni bonua. Na loma ni iyo ni oriu.
The Minister for Education, representatives of the Mono, Timurata, the principal and staff of the lower level IS Maths campus at the Technical College of Fiji, distinguished guests, students of the college, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. I always say that our education revolution is my government's proudest achievement. So I'm delighted to be here in the North today to celebrate another milestone for our nation, for Wolowo and for Mombasa, the opening of the IS Maths campus of the Technical College of Fiji. 2 weeks ago, I opened the TCF campus in Nandi. Today, I formally launched the campus in Mombasa. And we have an existing campus in Suva. These are just the first of 10 across Fiji that we intend to open this year and the beginning of next year. To boost the training of our young people in the trade skills, we need to build our mission and enable us to reach full potential. I'm especially thrilled, as I've said in the Turkic language, to be opening this facility in the north, which is a very special place in my heart, and which my government regards with the utmost importance. We are determined to develop the north and end the decades of neglect by previous governments, and to provide the people of the north with the services they deserve and which we intend to deliver. Whether it is better access to education, healthcare, electricity, water, better roads or better telecommunications, the Fiji First Government is intent on giving the people of the north the same level of services as everyone on the Viti level. In over time, we are determined to do whatever is necessary to enable the north to achieve its full potential, to give its people not only better services, but every reason for them and their children to stay in the north and develop this wonderful part of Fiji for themselves and for future generations. A key pillar of that better future is, of course, education and training. So I'm especially delighted that we now have the Specialist Technical College in Mombasa to increase the skills of the young people of the north and the skills base of the entire region. As you know, we have provided free schooling at primary and secondary school level, plus scholarships and student loans for higher education. But until now, we have lacked the facilities to provide students with enough opportunities to gain qualifications in the trades, whether it is to become electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters, welders, and all those other things in addition or in addition is to create a viable future. Today, we begin feeling a glaring need, especially in the north, for more opportunities for students to gain level 2 certificate qualifications in the various trades. To date, we've had basic skill opportunities at one end in private colleges and advanced skills opportunities at the other end at the Fiji National University. But we needed much broader access in the middle to level 2 technical qualifications that we've had in the past. And with its campuses around the country, 3 so far, and we intend to put up another 7 next year, we are finally be able to provide those opportunities. We are raising the standards of our tradesmen and women throughout Fiji by giving them better access to formal qualifications, all under the umbrella of technical colleges of Fiji. And for all of you here in Mombasa, there's an added bonus in that you will no longer have to go to Suva to get access to level 2 certificates in the various trades. We are keeping you all at home where you belong, close to your families and close to your friends. We are keeping you in Honolulu where you belong, where you are needed to help to continue to build the local economy. We are going to need more qualified and certified plumbers, more electricians, more carpenters, and more every trade discipline as the economy improves and the opportunities in the North expand. So this is a vital capacity building exercise in the North, as well as an unprecedented opportunity for our young people to achieve viable and sustainable livings, happy and worthwhile lives, all without having to leave the North. As I also told our young people in Nandi 2 weeks ago, I want to fire your imaginations, your children of today, about what is possible for your own self-fulfillment if you take advantage of the opportunities the Fiji First Government is giving you. We will always need those professionals who gain qualifications in our universities to become teachers, doctors, lawyers, and other tertiary disciplines. But building an army of skilled tradespeople is just as important for our national development. To the parents, I say, don't just encourage your child to only become a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer. If they show an aptitude or interest in the trade, encourage them to take that path. No job, no profession is any less than the other. We need builders and we need carpenters as much as we need members of the traditional professions. We are already experiencing and facing a shortage of tradespeople, and this shortage will hold our economy back if we don't act now to fill that shortage. My fellow Fijians, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, through these doors in Mombasa will come many of the tradespeople of the future. You will be training to be fitters or machinists. You will be training to be bricklayers or plasterers, mechanics, parameters, painters, welders, electrical tradesmen, hospitality or office workers. But whatever course you do, you will all be vital cogs in the national will moving Fiji forward. Vital members of Team Fiji, and I wish you all the very best. I also urge members of the wider community to consider taking up the short courses that will also be available here in the evenings or on weekends, because these are providing basic skills that will improve your chances of getting a satisfying and well-paying job. In all of this, anybody wanting to do a short course will have their fees paid for by the government as provided in the budget. And those wishing to do so, those wishing to do the 1-year courses can have a fees paid under the TALS program, which means government can give you a loan to help you pay your fees, which you only pay back in installments once you have started working. So, my fellow Fijians, these are great days in which every Fijian has an opportunity to embark on a lifetime of learning and acquire more skills. It is certainly a great day for Mombasa and a great day for the North as we open up this new avenue of learning. And I now have great pleasure to formally launch the IS Large campus of the Technical College of Fiji here in Honolulu. God bless you.
Ada lagi juga nama
Usara.
Kurbuli. Naka. Set. Naka. No, whatever. 24 teachers, cabinet 19, carpentry 25, 20 office workers, horticulture 23, auto electrical.
Should be dropped. So I can see it going this way.
Maybe. Hai, tu nak tiba-tiba tak? Kamu minta. Kakak.
Tolong mengenal nama susu.